It's a rainy day. It has been raining since. This is the look of our room. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Sunday to you all. Happy Sunday, guys. Mama, say hi, guys. We are running late for church. I want to quickly do something with my business here so we can head to church. We are late. Yeah, yeah. Welcome back to our channel. If it's your first time, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. I love Jesus. I love He's my friend. I will never leave. I will never leave you. He's my friend. He's my friend. I love Jesus. I love Jesus. He's my friend. He's my friend. I will never leave. I will never leave. He's my friend. He's my friend. I love Jesus. He's my friend. Any. It is well. I love Jesus. I love Jesus. He's my friend. He's my friend. I will never leave. I will never leave. He's my friend. I love Jesus. I love Jesus. He's my friend. He's my friend. I will never leave. I will never leave. I will never leave. I will never leave. This is what you are putting on. This is the first time she's wearing this dress. This top. This cardigan top. Mama, whether it's normal or not, let's wear it. I pray she will not have it right by the time we come back. Okay? So that's it, guys. Let's go to bed. Let me go and dress up. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Say bye. Bye. That's it. Guys, happy Sunday to you all. Okay, so it's Sunday evening, happy afternoon. Yes, it's Sunday afternoon, and we are back from church. We are doing some cleanup or rearrangement, trying to arrange our bedroom. We did some rearrangement in our sitting room. We tried to change the look or the sitting setting, but I couldn't carry you along that day. But right now, I just thought even we are almost done. But I just remember I said, let me try and carry you guys along. As you can see, my husband is with me. Thank God, it's because he's around today. That is why we are able to do this. Let me just try and show you around the situation of this room. Right now, everywhere is scattered. Like, let me just show you guys around. Guys, can you see everywhere scattered? We did not have enough space, so we just have to push these things to one corner, then arrange. We have to carry this our wardrobe from this spot. Can you see? It's already affecting this one. I don't know, so just have to rearrange everything and change the position. Ekushe, and mo rò pé ká gbé gbọ́rọ̀ ẹ gbé gbọ́rọ̀ ẹ tì sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ lọ́hùn, ẹ tì kó dúró gbọ́rọ̀, like kó dúró gbọ́rọ̀ síwájú, like kó dúró face bí tẹ́ ṣe kọ́kọ́ gbé tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ nà báyìí straight kí táyà wà nù, kẹjẹ ká òbí á dúró, wò ẹ tì sọ́hùn yẹn ṣá dúró, so that lè tún gba much things. Ṣẹ̀rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ṣó dúró? What is it? Kò dúró bí akẹgbẹ́ táyà síta. So we are trying to arrange everywhere. Can you see? So this wardrobe will be at this side. This wardrobe will be at this side. So here is the look of things. So see our sitting room. Everywhere is just scattered. Okay, so keep watching, guys. What's your cool also? Stick. Stick. Okay, stick here. Okay, stick in here now. Yeah, baby.
You don't fit understandable. You don't waste your time if you don't fight them. If love enter your body, you go to say love get as it be. This is love yourself, oh, you get as it be. Your heart go sweetie, bere bere. Your body go de do tenene. When love enter, all your senses go disappear. This is love yourself, oh, you get as it be. This is love yourself, oh, you get as it be. Your heart go sweetie, bere bere. Your body go de do tenene. When love enter, all your senses go disappear. This is love yourself, oh, you get as it be. This is love yourself, oh, you get as it be. Your heart go sweetie, bere bere. Your body go de do tenene. When love enter, all your senses go disappear. This is love yourself, oh, you get as it be. You don't know yourself again, no be your fault, na love. It be like say you the mad, you get as it be, na love. You dey give everything you get, no be your fault, na love. You know they sleep again and I so think you get as it be, na love. This is love yourself, oh, you get as it be. Your heart go sweetie, very very. Your body go de do tenene. When love enter, all your senses go disappear. This is love yourself, oh, you get as it be. This is love yourself, oh, you get as it be. Your heart go sweetie, very very. Your body go de do tenene. When love enter, all your senses go disappear. This is love yourself, oh, you get as it be.
So guys, we are done arranging, and this is the look of our room. Don't mind all the load up there, we don't have any other place to keep them. Okay, so that is why they are there. All right, so ignore all those load over there. So here is the look of the room now. This bag is also going to go up, it's going to enter the bigger bag there, but I have some clothes in there that I wash. I've not arranged them, so I just kept them inside. Okay, so this is the bed area, and here is the wardrobe area. This is our baby's baby Enola's wardrobe, and this side, the room is not that big, but we are managing it. The Lord has been helping us to manage the little space that we have for now. And this place, I'll be arranging this place this week by the grace of God. This area, I'll be arranging it by the grace of God. So here is it. I don't have any other space to keep this. I have to take it out from the sitting room to this place. And this chair, I'm also going to excuse me, I'm going to arrange the clothes on this chair. Okay, so here is the look, guys. Hope we tried. Though this is our bed. God help us, we are planning on changing it to a 6x6 bed, because this bed doesn't accommodate the three of us. So the other time we worked on this bed, this mattress rather, we did not know that it's not going to accommodate the three of us, because you know that period I said it that because of the situation of the bed, my husband was not sleep with us on the bed. So we did not know it's a 4x6 bed, and that time my baby is still even small, so we don't know that it's not going to accommodate us. But now, since we prepared the bed and we did the mattress and we've been using it, we have just been managing this mattress. So we are planning, God helping us, we are planning to change it, even if it's to take it back there and pay for them to make it a 6x6 instead of, because the money to buy a new one will be higher than the money to repair it to make it a 6x6, like to adjust it to 6x6. I don't know if you understand. I just know God will help us. And doing that again, we have to change the bed, go. We have to buy a 6x6 bed. So we see God helping us to accomplish that very, very soon. So that is it, guys. I hope I was able to carry you along at least to some extent in the arrangement of this our little room, our small bedroom. Okay, so thank you guys for watching up to this point. God bless you. A rainy day. It has been raining since midnight. Can you see? Everywhere is wet. Can you see that? But I just have to wash these clothes. They're my husband's clothes. The clothes he brought out yesterday after arranging the room. I just pray the clothes dry. Alright guys, let's spread our clothes. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi guys. So I just finished spreading all the clothes I washed. I just finished washing the final round. And thank God for washing machine, because this today's rain I don't even understand. It's still drizzling. It's not raining heavily, but it's raining. It's raining since midnight to since last night. It's raining. Thank God for washing machine. I was able to spin my clothes, and thank God for NEPA. I don't know this thing. Even with the rain, we have lights. Wonder shall never end. We have lights since morning. So I just finished spreading the clothes. It's just breeze that this clothes needs. Okay. It's just breeze that the clothes needs, because I've already spinned them. I just pray this clothes will get dry today, because I don't like bringing clothes, taking them out, all this. I don't like it at all. And I just have to do this washing so that the house will, like, the house will not be full of dirty clothes now, because the clothes are many. The clothes my husband brought out that yesterday after arranging the room is many. He has to arrange the place he's putting his clothes inside the wardrobe. He arranged his own segment of the wardrobe, and he has to bring out those clothes. It's been long that he has worn them, and some of them are smelling the house already. Like, I hope you guys understand. So you just have to bring them out, and I have to wash them. So I'm done with that now. We move. I've been working since. I just finished. What is it? So I've been busy since. I've been busy since morning. Anyways,